guys, welcome back to our channel Biohackers. So, without wasting any time, let's get into the video and make biology easy. Today we will be studying about cell structure and function. First of all, what is cell? Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. In short, all the organisms are made up of cells. Not only this, all the basic chemical and physiological functions like repairing, growth, excretion, movement, immunity, communication, and digestion are happening inside the cells. Now, who discovered the cell? In 1665, the English scientist named Robert Hooke discovered the cell. What happened was, उन्होंने bark of trees में कुछ slices of cork लिए थे और उनको under a simple magnifying device से observe किया था. उन्होंने कुछ compartments या फिर कुछ partition boxes observe किए कॉक स्लाइस में और उन्हें वो बॉक्सेस हनी कॉम की जैसे लगे. ही ऑल्सो नोटिस्ड कि ये जो बॉक्सेस हैं वो किसी भी वॉल से या पार्टीशन की वजह से सेपरेट हो रहे हैं. सो इन दिस वे cell was discovered. It is important to note that Robert Hooke discovered the cell in dead cells, and the research goes on for the next 170 years, which led to the discovery of cell theory, which was first proposed by German botanist Matthias Jakob Schleiden and Theodor Schwann in the year 1838, and later formulated by the German researchers Rudolf Virchow in 1858. Principles of cell theory. First was, all living things are made up of cells. Second was, smallest living unit of structure and function of all organism is cell, which was discovered by Schleiden and Schwann. And third one was, all cell arise from pre-existing cells, which was formulated by Rudolf Virchow, and this principle discarded the idea of spontaneous generation. Now, types of cells. There are mainly two types of cells. First is prokaryotic cells, second is eukaryotic cells. Now, let us know some difference between these cells. Prokaryotic cells, the cell is always unicellular, whereas in eukaryote it may be unicellular or multicellular. The cell size of prokaryote ranges in between 0.2 micrometer to 2 micrometer in diameter, whereas in eukaryotes the size ranges from 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer in diameter. The cell wall of prokaryote usually present chemically complex in the nature, whereas in eukaryotes, when present, it is chemically simple in nature. In prokaryotes, the nucleus are absent. Instead of that, they have nucleoid region in the cell. In eukaryotes, nucleus is present with nuclear membrane, which has nucleolus and nucleoplasm inside its nucleus. In prokaryotes, the ribosome is of 70S type, which is smaller in size and spherical in shape, whereas in eukaryotes, both 70S and 80S ribosomes are present, which are comparatively large and linear in shape. In prokaryotes, the DNA arrangement is circular, whereas in eukaryotes, it is linear. The mitochondria is absent in prokaryotes and present in eukaryotes. The endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, centrosomes are absent in the prokaryotes and present in the eukaryotes. Plasmids are present in both the types of cells, that is prokaryote and eukaryote cells. In prokaryotic cell, the cell division takes place through binary fission, and in eukaryotic cell, the cell division takes place through mitosis. The flagella in prokaryotic cells are smaller in size, whereas in eukaryotes it is larger in size. The reproduction is asexual in prokaryotes and sexual and asexual can be in eukaryotic cells. Example of prokaryotes are bacteria and archaea, whereas in eukaryotes are plant and animal cells. To be continued. Thank you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on our channel.